I stopped eating rice fresh, and it changed how I feel after meals. It's not about removing rice, it's about one simple step. Most people skip this part and never notice the difference. After cooking, let the rice cool slightly. Then place it in the fridge. For a few hours or overnight, not on the table, but properly chilled. As it cools, it gently changes and feels lighter after eating. When you're ready to eat, you can enjoy it cold or warm it gently. In a pan, add a little olive oil. Add fresh garlic, then the spinach. I start with the rice, add the warm spinach, then I add some avocado, fresh and creamy, and a little carrot for crunch and color. A squeeze of fresh lemon for brightness and balance. And just a pinch of salt. Finish with black sesame seeds. For a light crunch and beautiful contrast. You can enjoy your rice with vegetables, with beans, or alongside your usual meals. The most important step is cooling it in the fridge. When you eat like this, you feel more steady, more comfortable. No heaviness, no crash, just calm, lasting energy. It's not about removing foods. It's about simple habits that support your body. Try this method and notice how you feel. Save the scent and follow Amypresh Kitchens. We keep food calm here. And next, watch my gentle potato bowl for another easy step.